Hello ladies, I'll be teaching you how to draw your eyeliner the simplest way. So the first thing is to ensure that you connect your eyeliner from your bottom eyeliner all the way to where to the height you want it to be. And that's what I was trying to show you guys. Ensure that imekuwa connected. Like you can see, it's a whole straight line from my bottom line to the top. And then the second thing is to ensure you draw a small triangle as you build up pole pole. So what I was doing is stretching it or trying to take the line further. Then I went to the start part of my eye to ensure that the whole line is joined together so that it can all flow nicely. I really hope I'm good at explaining, but I'm sure that you guys can see what I'm trying to mean. So don't be quick. That's why I ensured that Sija speed this video so that you guys can really see how I draw my eyeliner without fastening the speed. Ensure that your line is straight, and that's what I'm trying to perfect. Kusikwe na bumps, but just in case you find that your eyeliner has gotten some bumps, you can always take your concealer brush and your concealer, then slightly clean them up after you're done drawing. So I'm repeating the same steps on my second eye. Again, ensure that you connect the line from your bottom eyeliner. And you can see I was comparing to ensure that the height of my eyeliner is the same as the first eye. And then suddenly or smoothly connect your triangle from that line to your eyeliner. I really don't know the specific names to call these things, but I'm pretty sure that you guys can see what I'm trying to mean. Then quickly build up your line, forming the kind of shape you wanted in the first place. I always go halfway, then go back to the start of my eye in order to join it all together, because the start of your eye, the first start of your eye, should always be a small line as it increases to the end of the corners of your eyes. Sai ndio terms zimeanza kurudi. Yeah, so that's what I did. Iko slow speed. Aki sijui kwa nini nilikuwa nafungua mdomo yo. Anyway, I was just what was I doing? Perfecting my line. Then the third step is to ensure you clean your eyeliner with either your foundation or concealer. I used my foundation because I didn't want that part to be brighter. So I went ahead with my foundation, and then there you have your perfect eyeliner, sharp and pointy. I went ahead and did the same thing to the next eye. Then the fourth step was to take my eyeshadow brush, and I went over my eyes with the same eyeshadow color that I had used, just to make them pop a little bit, and also to clean up if there was any mess I did with the eyeliner. Yeah. Hey, the number of times I've said the word eyeliner, but I do hope you guys understand. There we go, guys. See how pretty that looks? Yup. Then the fifth step is to go over with your eye pencil and ensure you start at the corner of your eyes so that you can join your eyeliner to your bottom eyeliner. And that's what I was trying to build up, so that they can be in conjunction, yani zikaingiane. It usually creates a beautiful eye effect, you guys. You're gonna see at the end of this video. Yeah. I believe the rest of the part is quite it's quite easy to get without me doing the explaining. Yeah, guys. There we go. Hey. And our final step is to go over with my MAC's mascara. This is to ensure that my lashes are pulled up, yeah, to give some falsies effect. I really love to do mascara on my lashes, guys. If you need a tutorial on how to do this, kindly be free to leave your request on the comment section down below. Na kama umefika hapa and you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe, like and share to your friends and family. Yay! Bye bye guys, love you, take care, till next time.